What if I told you that artificial intelligence could completely transform your AI affiliate marketing game and help you make money while you sleep? In this video, I'm going to reveal the 3 most powerful AI tools that are revolutionizing how affiliate marketers operate. Also, how they generate serious income for those who know how to use them properly. Before we dive into these game-changing tools, let me ask you something. Are you tired of spending countless hours creating content, researching products, and trying to optimize your affiliate campaigns manually? Are you struggling to scale your affiliate marketing business because there just aren't enough hours in the day? Well, you're not alone. And that's exactly why AI affiliate marketing has become the secret weapon for successful marketers. Let's get straight into the video right now. The affiliate marketing landscape has evolved dramatically over the past few years. What used to require teams of people and massive budgets can now be accomplished by a single person armed with the right AI tools. These aren't just fancy gadgets or empty promises. These are proven systems that are generating real results for real people right now. Just 6 months ago, Sarah, a complete beginner in affiliate marketing, was struggling to make her first $100 online. She was spending 12 hours a day writing blog posts, creating social media content, and researching products with minimal results. Then she discovered AI affiliate marketing tools, and everything changed. Last month alone, she generated over $15,000 in affiliate commissions, working just 4 hours a day. How? She leveraged the power of artificial intelligence to automate and optimize every aspect of her affiliate marketing business. Now, before I reveal these 3 powerful tools, I want to be completely transparent with you. AI affiliate marketing isn't a magic button that instantly makes you rich. It still requires strategy, consistency, and the right approach. However, when used correctly, these tools can multiply your efforts by 10, 20, or even 50 times. They can help you create content faster, identify profitable opportunities quicker, and optimize your campaigns more effectively than any human could do manually. The first AI tool that's absolutely crushing it in the affiliate marketing space right now is Jasper AI, formerly known as Jarvis. This isn't just another content creation tool. It's a comprehensive AI writing assistant that can revolutionize how you approach affiliate marketing content. Here's why Jasper AI is a game changer for affiliate marketers. First, it can create high-converting product reviews in minutes instead of hours. You simply input the product details, target keywords, and your desired tone, and Jasper generates comprehensive, engaging reviews that sound natural and persuasive. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just create generic content. Jasper can analyze top-performing affiliate content in your niche and create similar pieces that are optimized for conversions. The tool excels at creating various types of affiliate marketing content. Whether you need blog posts, email sequences, social media captions, YouTube scripts, or even paid advertising copy, Jasper can handle it all. The Boss Mode feature allows you to create long-form content that can easily exceed 2,000 words, perfect for in-depth product comparisons and buying guides that affiliate marketers rely on. What makes Jasper particularly powerful for affiliate marketing is its template library. They have specific templates for product descriptions, benefits and features lists, problem agitate solution frameworks, and even Amazon product listings. These templates are designed to convert visitors into buyers, which is exactly what you need as an affiliate marketer. But here's where it gets really interesting. Jasper integrates with Surfer, which means your content isn't just well written, it's also optimized to rank high in search engines. This combination of quality content and search engine optimization is crucial for affiliate marketing success, especially in competitive niches. Many successful affiliate marketers are using Jasper to scale their content production dramatically. Instead of writing 1 product review per week, they're creating 5 to 10 high-quality reviews per day. This increased output directly translates to more opportunities for affiliate commissions. The second AI tool that's making waves in affiliate marketing is Copy AI, and this platform is specifically designed to help marketers create persuasive, conversion-focused content at scale. Copy AI shines in areas where affiliate marketers need the most help, creating compelling headlines, persuasive email sequences, and high-converting landing page copy. The platform uses advanced natural language processing to understand what makes people take action, and it applies this knowledge to every piece of content it creates. One of Copy AI's strongest features for affiliate marketers is its ability to create email sequences that nurture leads and drive sales. Email marketing remains one of the highest converting channels for affiliate marketing, but creating effective email sequences requires skill and time. Copy AI can generate complete email campaigns, including welcome sequences, product launch campaigns, and re-engagement sequences, all optimized for affiliate conversions. The platform also excels at creating social media content that drives traffic to your affiliate offers. Whether you're posting on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, Copy AI can generate platform-specific content that engages your audience and subtly promotes your affiliate products. What sets Copy AI apart is its focus on conversion optimization. The artificial intelligence has been trained on thousands of high-converting marketing campaigns, so it understands the psychology behind what makes people buy. This knowledge is embedded in every piece of content it creates, from product descriptions to call-to-action buttons. The tool also offers a unique feature called Brand Voice, which allows you to train the AI to write in your specific style and tone. This consistency is crucial for building trust with your audience, which is essential for successful affiliate marketing. Copy AI's workflow templates are particularly valuable for affiliate marketers. You can create templates for different types of campaigns, product launches, seasonal promotions, or evergreen affiliate content. Then Copy AI will generate consistent, high-quality content following your proven formulas. The third and perhaps most powerful AI tool for affiliate marketing is Pictory AI, which focuses on video content creation. With video content driving more engagement and conversions than ever before, Pictory AI gives affiliate marketers a massive advantage in this space. Video marketing has become essential for affiliate marketing success, but creating quality videos traditionally requires expensive equipment, editing skills, and significant time investment. Pictory AI changes this completely by allowing you to create professional-looking videos in minutes, not hours or days. Here's how Pictory AI transforms affiliate marketing. You can input a blog post, article, or even just a script about a product you're promoting, and Pictory will automatically create an engaging video complete with relevant visuals, music, and even voiceovers. This means you can repurpose your written affiliate content into video format effortlessly. The platform is particularly powerful for creating product demonstration videos, unboxing videos, and comparison videos, all highly effective formats for affiliate marketing. These videos can be used across multiple platforms, from YouTube and Facebook to Instagram and TikTok, maximizing your reach and potential for affiliate commissions. Pictory AI's text-to-video feature is revolutionary for affiliate marketers who want to tap into YouTube's massive audience but don't have video creation skills. You simply provide the script highlighting the benefits of your affiliate product, and Pictory creates a professional video that can drive significant traffic and conversions. The platform also offers automatic video editing features that can turn long-form content into short, engaging clips perfect for social media platforms. This capability allows affiliate marketers to create multiple pieces of content from a single source, dramatically increasing their content output and reach. What makes Pictory particularly valuable is its ability to add captions automatically, making your videos accessible to a broader audience and improving engagement rates. Studies show that videos with captions have significantly higher view times and conversion rates. Now, let me share some strategies for maximizing your success with these AI affiliate marketing tools. First, always remember that AI is a tool to enhance your marketing efforts, not replace your strategic thinking. The most successful affiliate marketers use these tools to amplify their expertise and scale their efforts, not as a substitute for understanding their audience and market. When using these tools, focus on creating value first and promoting second. Artificial intelligence can help you create content faster, but that content still needs to provide genuine value to your audience. Use these tools to create comprehensive buying guides, honest product comparisons, and helpful tutorials that naturally incorporate your affiliate links. Consistency is key when using AI tools for affiliate marketing. Set up systems and workflows that allow you to produce content regularly. Whether it's daily social media posts, weekly blog articles, or monthly video content, consistent output is crucial for building an audience and generating affiliate income. Always test and optimize your AI-generated content. While these tools are incredibly sophisticated, they're not perfect. Review and refine the content they create, add your personal insights and experiences, and continuously test different approaches to see what resonates best with your audience. The future of affiliate marketing belongs to those who embrace AI technology while maintaining a focus on providing value to their audience. These three tools, Jasper AI for comprehensive content creation, Copy AI for conversion-focused marketing copy, and Pictory AI for video content. They are the cutting edge of what's possible in artificial intelligence affiliate marketing. Remember, success in affiliate marketing, whether using AI tools or traditional methods, requires patience, persistence, and continuous learning. These tools can accelerate your progress significantly, but they work best when combined with solid marketing fundamentals, and a genuine desire to help your audience make informed purchasing decisions. The opportunity in AI affiliate marketing is massive and growing every day. Those who act now and master these tools will have a significant advantage over competitors who are slow to adapt to this technological revolution. Now check out this video for more AI affiliate marketing secrets. Subscribe to our channel and share this video with anyone who may benefit from it. Thank you for watching.